Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. When working with Python scripts, it's essential to know the location of your script in the file system. This information can be beneficial for various purposes, such as accessing related files, configuring paths, or obtaining the script's directory. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to determine the location of a Python script using code examples. The __file__ attribute provides the path to the current script. It is a built-in attribute that holds the file name with the full path. In this example, os.path.abspath __file__ gets the absolute path of the script, and os.path.dirname extracts the directory. The sys.argv list contains command line arguments passed to the script. The first element, sys.argv0, represents the script's name. This method is useful when the script is executed from the command line. The os.getCould function returns the current working directory, which may not necessarily be the script's directory. However, if the script is executed from its own directory, this method is valid. The choice between these methods depends on the use case and how the script is executed. If the script relies on command line arguments, sys.argv0 might be suitable. Otherwise, using __file__ is a more general approach. Remember that these methods may behave differently in certain situations, such as when the script is executed in a different context, example in an IDE or as part of a larger application. Understanding the location of your Python script is a fundamental skill that can enhance the flexibility and portability of your code. Choose the method that best fits your requirements, and use it wisely in your projects. ChatGPT